Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to set up a on-premise OctoPerf agent. So to set up an agent, first you need to switch into workspace what you want, where you want to see your projects. After the projects, on our own projects menu, you will see private host here. When you click on private host, we will have an agent's details and the provider details. So to install an agent first, on-premise agent, you need to create a on-premise provider first with the longitude and latitude details and agent name. So I have given the name as an on-premise provider. So once you create that, this when you check this box, the create agent will be enabled. So now click on create agent. The default region I have added, I have not added any specific values. I made a longitude and latitude as 0. So that's the reason we're getting a 0 default. So click on next. Now my agent type is Windows. When you click on Windows and click next. So they have given the detailed steps here how to set up an agent now. So I have downloaded virtual host. I downloaded a virtual host, Oracle virtual host, virtual box, and I downloaded Variant and I installed it. Now I had downloaded the file as well. The file is in my local. Now I need to execute the following command. So this is the following command what we need to execute here. Uh, Go to the folder where we have this. Okay, we'll go to CMD. Yeah, we have Variant up. So we are using basically we are using the OctoPerf file, the file what we are given. So the folder new.variant has created. So we are using the file given by the OctoPerf, and we are using that file as input, and we are running that command. So as they said, execute the following command in the folder that contains variant file. So we download that file, and we have executed the command variant app as they mentioned. So it's still running it, starting the machine. So once this everything runs fine, so we should see a agent here. We should see the agent here, agent details here. It would take a while to install and update it. So the steps, I'm repeating the steps again. First, you need to you need to come to private host first. And if you don't have any private host provider already configured, then you need to create a private host provider by clicking add a provider here and on premise. After clicking on premise, you will have the details and memory details. And you click next, and it is a name what I've given. So which we have seen that default. This is the name, region name. So given that I not modified anything, so as per our requirement, we can modify that agent and click save. When you click save, it will be display here. You need to select for which agent you are set up. Now the agent, the region name what you're seeing default, that will be shown in your location where you location details. Where if you want to do a load test when you're creating a scenario, it will show you the name as a default name. So those running, it will take a while. So once it is done, we'll be getting the agent here up and running. So we can use this agent in our load test as well. So the test will be conducted from our mission and the mission where you are installed. So the same we'll have detailed steps for the Linux machine as well. Linux machine as well. So make sure for installing the software mentioned by OctoPerf, they are site forward of downloading VirtualBox, run as administrator, and where I can download it and run as administrator. The installation will take a while, like 20 minutes to 25 minutes, based on your machine configuration. So once that is done, download your file and execute the command what they have given here. So make sure when you're executing a command, you're executing it from the right folder where you have the downloaded or top of variant file. So once everything is fine, everything is done, the installation is done properly, then you would have see the agent here. It was setting up the complete agent details here. It was taken all of my details from the Veragon file, and it was creating the agent now. It was creating the agent, so we'll wait till the agent is created. Generally, so before doing that, make sure your firewalls are disabled here, disabled and enabled. I mean, as per the requirement. So, what are the ports required? That has to be disabled. So, here if we see that we have a double to port, so we need to disable the ports, or we can, if it is okay, we can directly disable the machine firewall completely. And we have a complete steps for the window Linux as well. So if you go to the Linux also, we'll have a Linux details as well. So this is a simple Docker. The Docker, they're running the Docker command. So that will be, I mean, just installing the Docker here and Docker file what they are given by OctoPerf. So they're setting up the agent basically. This is the process for the process is different from Windows and Linux. So for Windows, you need to download Oracle VirtualBox and Vagrant software and Vagrant file given Vagrant file given by the OctoPerf, and you need to run the file. So these are the steps that we need, but which we need to set up an agent, and we need to make sure that our your intranet is enable your in the LAN. You're trying to set up an agent is allowing the traffic from your LAN to OctoPerf server to show the agent here. So otherwise, even the agent is installed successfully, still it will not show the agent details here. It will not show the agent details here. Thanks for listening this, friends.